You know the feeling. It's 5:30 in the afternoon and the school bus engines have long gone quiet, but your laptop screen is still glowing. You have a parent letter to write, a new cell phone policy to draft, you have a memo to the faculty due first thing in the morning, and you've got to prepare a presentation for the Board of Education. You're staring at it, that blinking cursor. In school leadership, the blank page is the villain, that blinking cursor, and the drudgery that keeps you chained to your desk when you'd rather be in the hallways or in classrooms or home with your family. My name is Frank Buck, and I've been where you've been. I was a band director, I was an assistant principal, and a central office administrator. For years, I've shared systems to help leaders get their stuff done, and today I'm introducing you to a new online course that's going to give you practical tools and strategies for using AI to make your life easier. But it gets better. If you're an Alabama school leader looking for an ACLD-approved PLU, Practical AI for School Leaders gives you just that. You and I didn't get into leadership to spend 4 hours a day formatting spreadsheets or agonizing over the wording of an email. We got into this business to lead people. We want to spend our time on the instructional programs, helping teachers grow and students succeed. But the administrivia keeps getting in the way. Now, AI isn't going to replace you. It can never replace the uniqueness that you bring to your job. But someone who knows how to use AI to get a leg up, now that's the person that you have to watch out for that just might be the one that replaces you. Yes, I've designed a new course specifically for Alabama school administrators called Practical AI for School Leaders. This is its maiden voyage. It's a hands-on system designed to take the world's knowledge and put it to work for you. And if you're not from Alabama, you're still welcome. Everything we talk about is going to help you. It's just that Alabama school leaders are able to earn professional development credit. Most people use AI like they do Google. They type in a few keywords and then get a generic response, and then they're unhappy with it. They get frustrated. But in this course, I'm going to teach you a framework. The blank page disappears. Generic answers that miss the mark become a thing of the past. You get a high quality response, and you get it every time. You'll learn what I call the big three tools, and you'll learn the strengths of each one and when to use each one for the right job. And we're going to dive into Notebook LM. Imagine uploading your school improvement plan or student handbook into a private notebook where the AI acts as a personal assistant for you. You can ask it to find the gaps in your school cell phone policy, or have it create a quiz on the student handbook that you can then give to students. Because the prompts we write will be sentences rather than a few keywords like those Google searches. We're going to give you help for easier ways to input those prompts. I'm a big fan of voice input and text expanders, and you'll get the specifics of how you can add these tools and techniques to your digital treasure chest. Now, here's the important part for my fellow Alabama school leaders. Again, in this ACLD-approved PLU, you're getting the professional development credit that you need, and at the same time building a system that will serve you every day long after the course is over. The course begins March 1st, so you only have a couple of weeks to get in on this opportunity. There's no course number, and everything you need to know about registration and the PLU process is right in the body of the blog post that goes along with this video. Registration is a two-step process for Alabama school leaders. First, go to Power School Professional Learning and sign up there. For everybody, regardless of where you live, go to Frank an account on the Thinkific platform. You pay the registration fee, only $97 for the entire course, and that's where you're going to see all of the videos and all of the hands-on activities that take you from where you are now to where you'd like to be. More time for instruction and less time on drudgery. Just to let you know what you're going to see in this space next week, I'm going to show you a real life example of how I use Notebook LM to produce a podcast that tells people about the course. And it's something I did quite by accident. Don't let the blank page steal one more hour of your precious life. Let AI be part of your team, the team at your fingertips that allows you to be the leader that you want to be and that you deserve to be. It handles the drudgery. You provide the uniqueness and the heart. Go sign up today if you like, or any time before March 1st, and let's start this journey together. I'm Frank Buck, and I look forward to helping you reclaim your time and make it look easy.